So today I'm issuing an executive order that outlines how we go about opening the Texas economy, helping you return to work using the safest standards to contain the coronavirus. Now, in opening Texas, we must be guided by data and by doctors. To guide this effort, I have formed a statewide strike force to open Texas. The team includes Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, Speaker of the House Dennis Bonnen, Attorney General Kim Paxton, and Comptroller Glenn Hager. They are joined by a team of nationally recognized medical advisors who will inform us about the best healthcare standards to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Our medical team will work with an advisory committee of successful business and community leaders who will share information and innovative ideas to help businesses strategically reopen while also containing the spread of the coronavirus. I'm issuing executive orders today that will begin the process of opening Texas. Now understand this. Opening Texas must occur in stages. Obviously, not all businesses can open all at once on May the 1st. First, will be openings announced today that include activities that should pose minimal or no threat to expanding COVID-19. Second, additional openings will be announced on April the 27th after further input from the advisors and the medical staff. Third, even more openings will be announced in May when it is determined that the infection rate continues to decline, that hospital capacity remains available, and when testing capacities are sufficient to detect and contain outbreaks of COVID-19. Effective April the 22nd, which obviously is next week, current restrictions on surgery will be loosened. This will allow doctors to diagnose and treat more medical conditions without needing to get an exception. Next is my executive order about the retail sector in Texas. We believe that all stores in Texas should be able to operate retail to go beginning next Friday, 1 week from today. Next, your physical and mental health are important, especially at times like these. Going to parks is an effective way to address those needs. So, state parks will be reopened beginning this coming Monday. Today's executive order also addresses schools. The team of doctors advising us have determined that it would be unsafe to allow students together in schools for the foreseeable future. As a result, school classrooms are closed for the remainder of the 2019-2020 school year. That includes all public, private, and higher education institutions. Now, teachers will be allowed in the classroom for video instruction if they choose, or to perform administrative duties, or to clean out their classrooms. On April the 27th, revised plans will be announced. The new plans will be based on how well contained COVID-19 is in the state of Texas. They will consider the possibility of opening more venues like restaurants, movie theaters, and other gathering places that can provide safe distancing practices. They will also consider expanding elective surgeries. We will consider, in fact, all strategies that may open up Texas while also keeping us protected from the expansion of COVID-19. Together, we can bend the curve. Together, we can overcome this pandemic. We can get folks back to work. We can adopt safe strategies that prevent the spread of COVID-19. And step by step, we will open Texas.